I'm a professor of wildlife ecology at the University of Massachusetts in Amherst in the United States. And I'm on sabbatical this year, traveling and building relationships with colleagues here in Assam to look at human-elephant conflict. So I have many years of research experience in southern Africa looking at elephants and their conservation challenges. So I wanted to come to India and learn about the human-elephant conflict challenges they have here, especially in Assam, where the human-elephant conflict is quite large and growing. So I wanted to learn what programs have been successful here, to see if they can be applied to other places in the U.S. and learn from my Indian colleagues and also share with them my experiences with African elephants and other wildlife conservation programs around the world. Yes, it appears that they're increasing. They will continue to increase because the humans, many more people and many more habitat modifications and alterations. And so, but some of the organizations working here, like Interact, have developed some very successful programs and working with communities to reduce the human-elephant conflict. One strategy that I've seen that I've been very impressed with and very encouraged with is the use of electric fences that are powered by solar cells. And this provides just a small shock to the elephants that doesn't harm them, but it gets their attention and makes them turn away from the villages and the fields where these electric fences have been installed. And what's most important about this as well, not only is it very highly successful, but also the communities are engaged with establishing these fences with regards to not only constructing them and providing supplies, but also on the regular maintenance of these electric fences so that they're sustained over the long term. And so I've been very impressed and very excited to hear how successful it's been, and also how excited, talking with the community members, how excited they are in terms of how it has impacted their lives in a very positive way and not having to be fearful of elephants coming into their communities.
Sir,
Well, you know, it's a challenge of people moving all over the world, right? In terms of trying to find better lives. And so it's not something that's unique to Assam or to India, right? We have it in the U.S. with regard to Central and South America as well. And so it's a big challenge because the numbers are so high, but it's going